see that face, that means abdominal.
Show, she put number. We haven't talked much. Alright, what is up guys? Bryan WillLiftit back with another video, and I actually wasn't gonna record today, but listening to rock music, that shit fucking calms me down. We talked about that shit yesterday actually.
It's kind of weird, like we're the only people that like heavy metal calms us down. But
yo, G shit bro, it calms us down, and like I felt at peace, like if you guys know what I mean. Probably not, because you guys don't listen to that music. But anyways, we're gonna get a shoulder session, but first quickly we have a little comment of the day. And that is gonna be by my good friend Michelle. She put shit, you can't see it, but #1 fan for Papi Bryan. But I don't know. There might be some competition for #1 fans. There's like 3 other fans out there. You feel me? So yeah, comment of the day. Now let's get back to the gym video. We haven't talked much, we just been grinding, bro. It's not, because usually on the vlogs we talk a lot of shit, bro, but this one we just been working, and his mom's bitching at him for other reasons that I'm not gonna say. But yeah, we keep on pushing, we keep on pushing.
Give me a quick flex. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like we're doing some shoulders today. That was stretching. The flex hurt him a little bit.
I'm out for the season.
Out for the season, coach. Don't put him in. face, that means abdominals are being made.
Alright y'all boys, finished some shoulders and now I just did like a 30-minute like cardio slash ab circuit, but I didn't record it because I was like in the zone and shit. But like yeah, that might conclude the video if I do something, but if not then more for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright y'all boys, we are cupping right now. And I don't really know much about it, but Andrew does. Andrew, you want to tell them the benefits? I put you right on the spot. He didn't even know I was going to do this.
Okay, I do know, but it's a lot, and it's a lot.
Name like one benefit.
Okay, so it like helps relieve like tension in your fascia. It's like fascia fat that separates your muscle from your bone tissue. Muscle tissue from bones. My bad.
All right, let's run it.
And it helps promote blood flow to areas with soreness, tightness, injury, all of the above.
Alright, perfect. We're gonna put it on my front delts, my laterals, and we're gonna put it on my lats and my mid back.
And his ass.
Please don't leave my room again. You're the only thing that made me feel like this year is still worth living. I wish I didn't have to write a song about how everyone here hates me, so I'll drown in my mistakes that I can't fix.
Alright guys, the boy Andrew got me right, bro. As you can see, he knew what he was doing, bro. That shit was painful, but it's gonna be worth it in the long run. So thank you, my guy. Appreciate you, dog. Well, you need anything to say?
And like,
That is the most interesting part of my day. Going to the librarian to study with my boyfriend. And the boy. Introduce yourself.
what's up, guys? It's Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
That's all. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Dun 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 dun. Oh wow.